Hey, what's up? It's Mr. Laner. Your teacher. Have you ever wondered why the Earth has 4 seasons? I mean, what exactly about the Earth's relationship with the sun causes this phenomenon? Let's explore. 1 and a 2, a 3, a to the 4. Different seasons on Earth, let's explore. Summer in the north is winter in the south. The angle of the sun is what it's all about. Listen, and I'll rhyme you the reasons why the Earth has 4 different seasons. It orbits the sun as if on a flat disc, and compared to this, it's tilted on its axis. 23.5 degrees to be exact. It's probably from an asteroid's ancient impact that smashed the Earth so hard that it tilted with the boom and knocked the chunk off that became the moon. So now the Earth leans as it spins on its axis as every new day begins. The Earth slowly makes its way all around the sun. 1 lap around is called a revolution. That's 1 year, 365 days as the Earth revolves around. Its axis always stays at the same tilt, yeah, it never even sways. So if the top's towards the sun, the bottom tilts away. 6 months later, it's the opposite, okay? The Earth's on the other side of the sun, now the top tilts away. And this makes all the difference when it comes to the amount of energy that we receive from the sun. 1 and a 2, a 3, a to the 4. Different seasons on Earth, let's explore. Summer in the north is winter in the south. The angle of the sun is what it's all about. Said a 1 and a 2, a 3, a to the 4. Different seasons on Earth, let's explore. Summer in the north is winter in the south. The angle of the sun is what it's all about. Now let's focus on the angle of the sunshine on the surface of the Earth when they combine. Direct sunlight causes heat, but when sunlight is spread out, it gets weak. That's why the poles are cold, but the tropics are hot. The Earth curves away from the sun on top, but in the middle of the Earth's big belly, on the equator, oceans jiggle like jelly. Under direct sunlight that shines with all of its might, the sun's energy is most concentrated around a spot called the subsolar point, where the sun beats down on your head like a hammer on a peg. And if you stand still, there's no shadow under your legs. It's so hot there, it's so hot. The subsolar point roams in the tropical zone. It's so hot there, it's so hot, yeah. 1 and a 2, a 3, a to the 4. Different seasons on Earth, let's explore. The subsolar point roams up and down within the tropical zones. And when it's found on the Tropic of Capricorn, that's the solstice, the first day of winter and the first day of summer. Then it goes up from there 3 months later. It's called the equinox when it's on the equator, where the daylight touches the north and south pole. It's the first day of spring and the first day of fall. Then it goes up from there, and when it hits the Tropic of Cancer, it's another solstice. It's summer in the north and winter in the south. Below the Antarctic Circle all day it's lights out, but on the other side, yeah, way up there in the Arctic zone, home of the polar bear, the sun never sets at all on the solstice. 24 hours of daylight. You know this is because the Earth has a tilt. I hope you learned something from the rhymes that I spilled. 1 and a 2, a 3, a to the 4. Different seasons on Earth, let's explore. Summer in the north is winter in the south. The angle of the sun is what it's all about.